So guys, uh, let's start the session. The problem is this one, right? Guys, I have sent the link to the problem in the chat. Please start opening the question without wasting any time. Please start opening it. Be quick, 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 fast, 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 fast. Nice, great, awesome, nice. So guys, in this question, it is very difficult. First of all, okay, out of 20,000 people, only 100 people could solve it in the given time duration. So before solving this question, some basic concepts should be clear to us. Okay, let's discuss what is a palindrome, guys. Can you guys tell me if this string is a palindrome or not? Guys, write yes or no in the chat if this is palindrome or not, according to you. Be fast, guys. Quick. Okay, great job. Nice, awesome. So, guys, if you any string given to you, let's say the string given to you is x, y, z. If you reverse that string, ZYX. And if the reverse is equal to the original string, then we call it as the palindrome. Always remember this special thing, special property about palindrome. If you reverse the given string given to you and the same string is coming, then that is a palindrome. Now, there is one more special feature of checking if the string is palindrome or not. Let's say I'm writing BGGB. What can I do? I can first check the first character, it should be equal to the last character. Second character should be equal to the second character. I can run a for loop from 0 to n by 2 and I can keep checking the symmetrical distances. If those symmetrical distances, the characters situated at those symmetrical distances are same, then yes, you guys can say that that is a palindrome. Okay. For example, let me write A, B, C, C, B, A. Index 0, index 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this session, we will only focus on the algorithm part, okay? Because the implementation part is very, very big. I leave it up to my students to figure it out, okay? A, B, C, C, B, A. So, guys, this character is same, should be same as this character. This character should be same as this character, and this character should be same as this character. Guys, everyone write yes in the chat if this much concepts are clear to them. Be quick, don't waste time. Thank you. Awesome. Great. Great to know. Awesome. So you guys understood these basic concepts. Now, guys, one more thing I wanted to clear it up to you. That what is the question saying? Question is saying that we are giving you a string, and we will be giving you Q queries. Okay. This session is not for non-beginners. If you're a beginner and you joined it by mistakenly, you can leave this session. Okay. So guys, they are saying that we are giving you a string and we will be giving you some queries. According to those queries, you have to tell, can the string be turned into a palindrome or not? That's all the question is telling you. That's it. That's it. Okay. In each query, they will be giving you two ranges and you are allowed to rearrange the characters in those ranges. Rearrange them any way you want, but finally, whatever the string is coming, that should be a palindrome. Now, I am sure that no one is going to take this. No one is going to take this gigantic task of explaining this problem or its solution. I checked YouTube also. No one took the risk. Very hard it is. हाथ पैर कांप जाएंगे अगर आपको ये दूसरे को समझाना है तो ठीक है. But let's do it. We are Kumar K, right? We will do it anyhow. You should know that this is going to be a very difficult job for me because this is super hard question. Many things are involved in it. Anyways, let so guys, we are given a string and we will be given two ranges, A to B and C to D. Two ranges will be given to us. We can do anything in those ranges, but the question is saying that you do whatever the heck you want to do, but finally they need a string which is palindrome. Okay? Let's try to make the question little bit easy. When you think the question is hard, let's try to make it easy. Let's say that we are only given a single range. You can rearrange the characters in that range and the final string should be palindrome. So guys, let's say your string is like this: G G B A C C B A. Guys, is this a palindrome? Write yes or no in the chat. Write yes or no in the chat. Fast. Be quick. No, it is not a palindrome. This is not a palindrome. Why? This character is matching this character, but this is not matching this one, right? Let's say a query is given to you, a single range is given to you. Let's say, guys, this index is 0, index is 1, index 2, index 3, index 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, clear? Good, good, great job. Awesome, awesome, nice. Great job. Guys, I am giving you the query 1 to 2. Guys, what is the meaning of this query 1 to 2? It means you can select this substring and you can change it any way you like. You can rearrange the characters. Guys, is there any way to rearrange the characters in this bracket and make this a palindromic substring? If yes, tell me what to do. I have given you the query 1 to 2. You have to tell me, can you do something in this 1 to 2 bracket such that this whole string becomes a palindrome? Yes, you can. You can swap this character with this character. It will become what? This BA will become AB. And finally, this A will match this A, and this B will match this B, this C will match this C, this G will match this G. Everyone write yes in the chat if the understanding of the question is clear. That in each query they will give us, I have explained you via one range, but they will give you two ranges. You can do any changes you want in those two ranges, but the final string should be palindrome. If you can do that, write yes. If it is not possible to do, write no. That is the question, what the question is trying to ask us. Okay, awesome. Guys, now I will give you some another example. Let's say I write G B C D. Okay, Y C B D G. The query given to you is index 0, 1, 2, 3. You know this indices now. Query given to you is 1, 2, 3, and 6 to 8. They will always give you q queries. The length of the string will be even. They will give you q queries. One query will be from the left hand side and another will be on the right hand side. So if you try to divide this string into half, if you try to divide this string in half, the first query is this one, 1 to 3. Another query is this one, 6 to 8. Guys, can you tell me, is there any way to do the changes in these ranges such that this becomes palindrome? Write yes or no in the chat. Is there any way to do the changes in the range 1 to 3 and 6 to 8 such that this becomes a palindrome? You can see that this part is already equal, this is already equal. Only these guys need to become equal. You can easily make them equal by rearrangement, right? How will you make them equal, Ritesh? How will you make them equal? Yes, you can just swap na guys. You want CBD here na? Yes, C ko, yes, put this C there, put this B here, the rearrangement, and this has become equal to this. Okay, sorry. CBD is here na. You will bring here DBC. Now it has become palindrome. Okay. So guys, this much concept is clear to you. My biggest observation for you people is that if I give you a string of say some particular length phi, and I give you another string of length phi, basically you have to make them equal, right? In this case, what you had to do, you had to make the string which is from 6 to 8 equal to this one. Guys, how can you make a string, one string equal to another by rearrangement? It is called as anagrams, right? How can you make it equal? Right in the chat. some basic prerequisite. If you want to make string A of size n equal to string B of size n, then you can do rearrangement, but it will only work if frequencies of all the characters, if all the frequencies of all the characters in both the strings are same. In both the strings are same. Guys, make sure to support me as much as you can in this session, because this one is going to become really difficult. Okay. Yeah. So guys, I am asking you a basic question. A B C D B G, can this string A become equal to this string B? Write yes or no in the chat. No, it cannot. It cannot. It cannot. It cannot. It cannot. It cannot. So the string A can become equal to B only if their internal content is same. Okay. If this was your string A B C, and this was your string B C A, can now string A become equal to string B? Right? Yes or no in the chat. So the string A can become equal to string B after rearrangement only if the frequency of each character in both the strings are same. Here A is coming one time, here also A should come one time. Then you can match those characters na at the same places. Here B is coming one time, here also B is coming one time. Here C is coming one time, here also C is coming one time. So guys, symmetry, let's call it as content, content of A equal to content of B. Guys, I hope you all understood the meaning of content of A equal to content of B. It means that yes, I agree that A and B are not same, but if the frequency of all the characters in both of them is same, it means you can rearrange it somehow and get your job done. Got it, guys? If content of A is equal to content of B, internal content, then you can do any kind of restructuring, rearrangement, and finally those both strings will become equal. But अगर अंदर का content ही अलग है, there is guy 1, there is guy 2. You want that both of them look like a Punjabi. Obviously, you will give them the dress according to that, and both of them will look Punjabi, became equal because the inside content is same. Got it, guys? Is this basic thing clear to you that string A can be converted to string A can be converted to string B only if the internal content is same by rearrangement? Clear, guys? Good. Awesome. Nice, nice, nice. Great job. Great job. Okay. So content of A equal to content of B. Okay. This much you understood, and that's really great. Okay. So guys, the question is also clear to you people that we are given two ranges and we want to make the first string equal to the, sorry, we want to convert our string into a palindrome, right? Yes. So now, very, very important, listen to me carefully. Okay. Guys, we need some basic knowledge of other things also before solving this question. I will be creating a prefix of I function. Prefix of I true means the starting I part and the last I part of the string is palindrome. Got it? For example, I'm just clearing these basic things before actually starting the questions analysis. Okay, so let's say this is the string given to us. Okay, guys, I'm not writing the actual characters. Okay, Guys, if p of 1 equal to true, what is the meaning of that? Can you tell me in the chat? I will be creating another array p, prefix array. If p of 1 is true, it means these first two characters are in with are equal to these last two characters in a palindromic manner. Means this one is equal to this one and this one is equal to this one. So if p of 1 is true, it means you can proudly say that yeah, this much part is equal, the first two elements are equivalent to the last two elements. Guys, is the prefix array concept clear to everyone what I'm trying to do? P of I will be true only if the first I elements are equal to the last I elements in a palindromic format. Clear? Good. Awesome. Awesome. Guys, another observation is if S of 0 is equal to S of n minus 1 and the middle part is palindrome, it means whole string is palindrome. Palindrome always operate on this middle factor, okay? On this middle factor. My goodness, I have to explain so many things here before starting the actual question. Can you imagine how difficult the actual question might be that Kumar K sir is explaining four concepts before that? Anyways, guys, middle concept is very important in palindromic string problems. Please listen to me carefully. Let's write B, B, G, G, V, V. Okay. Now, let's say you know that this much part is a palindrome. Okay, this is true. So what you can do is now you can check, is the first character equal to the last character? Yes. If the first character is equal to the last character and the middle part is a palindrome, it means that the whole string is also a palindrome. Everyone write yes in the chat if they understood this basic concept. Now, I can show you one more brilliant example. Okay. This is your string, right? This is the index 1, right? What you can do, you can write if p of 1 is equal to true. What is the meaning of p of 1 equal to true? It means the first two characters are equivalent to the last two characters. If p of 1 is equal to true and this much part is a palindrome, means the part from index 2 till 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If 2 to 9 is a palindrome and p of 1 is equal to true, it means the whole string is a palindrome. Similarly, you could do this for this also. Let's say from year to year. You could easily say that if p of 3 is true, if p of 3 is true, if p of 3 is true, it means the first three characters are equivalent to the last three characters and the middle part from 4 to 8 is palindrome, then the whole string is palindrome. Guys, is there anyone who has doubt in this concept? You can always say that if the first I characters are equal to the last I characters, then just check the middle part. If the middle part is a palindrome, then the whole string is a palindrome. Clear? Has your brain opened up, Amit? Yes, this thing should be very clear to you. It will be used in many palindromic problems. Okay. You should always know that if for a random index I know I have to do it again and again till it goes in your brain. So let's say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, or 5. If someone comes and tells you that p of 1 is true, this basically means that these first two characters are equivalent to these two characters. Then you only need to check if 2 to 3 is a palindrome or not. If 2 to 3 is also a palindrome, then the whole string is the palindrome. Got it? You could do this for this also. If p of 2 is equal to true, this basically means the first three characters equal to the last three characters, which then you don't need to check because there is no middle space. Okay? These basic things are clear? Good. Awesome. Nice. So you guys understood this middle concept also, guys. Nice. Guys, for this problem, we will be needing these functions. Prefix of I is true means the characters from 0 to I are equivalent to the characters from n minus I. Okay, I'm giving you guys this document in advance. Okay. Yes, thank you, Amit. Love you. Guys, react with emojis if this concept is clear. Prefix of I true matlab the first I characters matching the last I characters in a palindromic manner. Now I will be creating another function middle of I. Middle of I should tell you that the middle characters are in a middle characters from n by 2 are in a palindromic fashion. Okay. All these are the prerequisites for this question. I cannot directly explain the analysis and solution. Need to explain all these basic things. I cannot do that. No one can do that. I am feeling like this that your students have studied algebra and geometry. Now you have to teach them integration question. What will you do? What will you do? Leetcode asks such a hard problem. What to do? I have to explain all the basics first. So guys, P of I function is clear to you, right? React with emojis. Now let's talk about middle of I, M of I. So G B B B B G n by 2. Okay. So guys, 0 1 2 3 4 5. Guys, if m of 2 is equal to true, do you know what is its meaning? Its meaning is that the middle part, which is starting at 2 and having a symmetric length, this is a palindrome. Guys, what is the meaning of m of 1 equal to true? It means that whatever is the string from 1 to the middle and then from middle to the end till the same length, that is a palindrome. Guys, what is the meaning of m of 0 is equal to true? Whatever is the half string from 0 to here, it is in palindrome format with this to end. So guys, this is m of I function and this is p of I function. P of I considers only the first I characters. M of I considers the character from current position till the middle of the string. Got it, guys? Guys, a few people write yes in the chat if the p of I function clear, m of I function clear. Okay, good. I have written that here also. Prefix of I, M of I. These things should be equivalent to them. Okay. Good, 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 good. Here I have not written the exact distance d, but I hope you understand that from I to n by 2 minus 1 till n by 2 till the distance. Okay, you understood this also. Guys, I am creating one more function. This function will tell you in O of one time. Okay. In O of one time, it will tell you. What will it tell you? How many times a particular character is occurring from range L to R. Everyone write yes in the chat if the third function is also clear. The third function will tell you that this particular character is coming for how many times in the range L to R. This third function can help you solve this problem instantly. Okay. You wanted equal occurrence of characters now. Let's say this is your string A. You want to convert it to this. So what will you do? You will run this algorithm and this algorithm will tell you the frequency of A from start to end, from 0 1 2 3, from 0 to 3. What is it? It is 2. What is frequency of B from 0 to 3? It is 1. What is frequency of C from 0 to 3? It is 1. If you do run this algorithm for this also, na frequency of A will come as 2, frequency of B will come as 1, frequency of C will come as 1. You will check, are all these values matching? If all of them is matching, then you can say that the content of both the strings is same and both the strings are equivalent. Got it, guys? Clear? Okay. Yes. Thank you, Nayan. Thank you. So you guys understood these many things. Okay. So guys, you understood this basic prerequisite that can you convert the string of size of length n of given two strings a and b both of size n, can you convert the one to other by rearranging the characters? You can do if the content is same. Content is same meaning what? Frequency of a b c d e f g h I j k l m n o p q r s t u v w till z. the frequencies of all the characters in both the strings are same, then you can rearrange them and make both of them equal. Simple is sort both the strings. अगर sorting के बाद दोनों string same दिख रही है तो दोनों equal हो जाएगा. But for that, each character should be occurring same number of times in both the strings. Guys, you should always know that if the first character is equal to the last character and middle part is palindrome, then the whole string is palindrome. For this, we have these two functions. Prefix of I is true means if the first I characters are matching the last I characters, it means prefix of I is true. Middle of I true means that the string from I character till n by 2 and then from n by 2 till the distance, if all of that is forming up a palindrome, then middle of I is true. Frequency of ALR, this tells us how many times A is coming from length from index L to index R. Earlier there were less people, but now the number of people joining has have increased. Great job. Now guys, let's jump to the actual question. Let's not do any kind of time pass. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Everyone write yes in the chat if they understood that sir has taken a 12 length string. I have taken a 12 length string. I am not writing the actual characters. I don't care about them. I only care about the index. I only care about the index. Only care about the index. Only care about the index. Everyone can visualize this? Good. Let's say the two ranges given to us are 2 to 4 and 7 to 10. It is given in the question that the first range will always be AI and BI will be less than n by 2 and another will be greater than n by 2. Guys, do you understand that the first range will always be on the left hand side and the second range which they are giving you will be on the right hand side? Right? Yes in the chat without wasting any time. So always first do the middle partition of the string. Okay. So I think 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it will be done here. First range will be on this side. Second range which they are giving will be on this side. Such a difficult and interesting problem. Now, guys, what are the ranges given? Right in the chat. Fast. What are the ranges given to us? Where can we do the rearrangement of characters? Right in the chat. Fast. It is given in the document. Read what is written. Guys, write in the Google chat. Why have you become so lazy and lethargic? Which are the two ranges? What are the numbers written? Check the numbers written here. Which numbers are we considering for the two ranges A to B, C to D? Pradeep and Sunit are my favorite students. They did the job. Rest all are super lazy. I can guarantee that Sunit and Pradeep will become successful soon. 2 to 4 and 7 to 10. So let's try to do it. 2 to 4 and 7 to 10. Okay, so basically guys, we can do the changes in only 2 to 4 and 7 to 10. Okay, 2 to 4, 7 to 10. Guys, do you agree that you can do changes at these places only? You cannot do changes at any other place. You cannot do changes at any other place. You can do changes only at the locations I marked as per the given question. The places where you cannot do the changes, they will be fixed. You cannot change them. Right? Yes in the chat if you understand. जहां चेंज नहीं कर सकते वहां कुछ नहीं कर सकते, वो वैसा ही रहेगा, फिर भी उसको पैलिंड्रोम बननी है. Okay guys, so step 1, use your brain. There are two options. You first calculate the distance of this range from the start. What is the distance, guys? 2. Two characters are here. What is the distance here, guys? One character is here. Guys, everyone write 2 and 1, 2 and 1 in the chat if they agree with me. The first thing which we will do, we will calculate the distance from the start of the first range and the distance from the end of the second range. What is the distance here? 2. What is the distance here? 1. Write 2 and 1 in the chat. Fast, 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 everyone. Good. Guys, which one is smaller? 2 is smaller or 1 is smaller? Write in the chat without wasting any time. Which one is smaller? 2 is smaller or 1 is smaller? 1. Guys, can I say that the first part of the algorithm should be to check if the 1 means the first character is equal to the last character or not? Because we cannot do any changes to this. You cannot do any changes here. Your range is not coming in the first character and the last character. So you just check now. Is the first character equal to the last character before proceeding ahead? Yes or no? Isn't it common sense that the first thing you will check is the first character equal to last character? So guys, same thing in the algorithm is written. First I will check. First what I do, I check the ranges. Then I calculate the distance which I have here. Which one ever is the smallest distance, I pick it up. I make sure that the smallest distance from last is equal to smallest distance from first, because I am not allowed to do any changes there. ये भगवान के भरोसे है, ये जो है वो वही रहेगा. अगर यही false हो जाता है, if this comes as false, you don't need to solve the question. Written false. What is the use of rearranging the character at these two places when the outside characters are not matching each other? Got it? So first thing you will do is check if the 0 0 is equal to 11 to 11. Okay, yes it is true. Yes it is true. Yes it is true. Yes it is true. Great job. Great job. Great job. Guys, can you feel what is this range from 2 to 4 trying to do? It can become a palindrome only if these three characters at the other symmetric three places match with them. Guys, which character 4 is symmetric to become a palindrome? Use your brain and tell me. 4 is symmetric to 7. 4 should become equal to 7. Yes or no? 3 should become equal to what? 3 should become equal to 8. 2 should become equal to what? 2 should become equal to 9. This much is clear? Yes. So guys, 2 to 4 is only in love with 7 to 9. But the range given to here is 7 to 10. So the basic thing is that 2 to 4 only loves 7 to 9. So whatever characters are there in 2 to 4 now, the content of 2 to 4 should be equivalent to 7 to 9. Content. Whatever is your content of 2 to 4, and we know how to do check it. We have the function to check if the content is same or not. Content of 2 to 4 should be equivalent to the content of 7 to 9. Okay, this also code you do it in an instant, right? Nice job. Great. But guys, while doing this, who gets ignored? Can you guys tell me which guy got ignored in this whole process? We tried to match 2 to 4 with 7 to 9. But there is one guy which was included in the range, but it got ignored. It got ignored, guys. It got ignored. Yes, you tried to match 2 to 4 with 7 to 9, but 10 got ignored. And you are allowed to change the character at index 10. This is the most important thing. Other guys don't have that power, but the 10th guy is allowed to change because it is coming in the range. Whichever is in the range, now you can rearrange that. So, ये 2 से 4 की शादी 7 से 9 कराने के पहले, आपकी शादी होने के पहले आपके बड़े भाई की शादी होनी चाहिए. Yes or no, guys? Before matching 2 to 4 with 7 to 9, you need to resolve the life of 10th guy. Guys, this 10th guy should be equal to which character? Write in the chat to become a palindrome. This 10th guy should become equal to which character? First. These are the leftover places. So you will now check what is the first character. Why? Why are you checking the first character? Because it cannot be changed. ये तो चलो चेंज हो सकता है, ये बदल नहीं सकता. जो यहाँ पर है वो वहीं पर आना चाहिए. Whatever character is at the position number 1, now you cannot change it. So it is forcefully required that this character becomes equal to this one. Let's say it was B. Let's say it was B. Then what will you do? What will you do? From 7 to 10, you will search, is there at least one occurrence of B in 7 to 10? If there is, na, you will bring that B from there and you will put it at this particular place. And your checking of 1 to 10 is done. Is 10 to 10 equal to 1 to 1? Yes. Guys, all this is done. Now I come to the final step. If the first character has become equal to the last character, second has become equal to the second last. Now 2, 3, 4 should be equivalent to 7, 8, 9. So you used 1b from here now. In this content of 7 to 10, you will subtract 1b in your hash map. Okay. Now you just need to check if the content of 2 to 4 is equivalent to 7 to 9. Guys, everyone start writing yes in the chat if they know that yes, we can check the content of 2 to 4 is equivalent to 7 to 9 in just over one time. I told you now we have a magical function which checks this function. We have frequency of A of L of R. It will check the frequency of A to Z from 2 to 4 to 7 to 9. In 26 iterations, you will know can 2 to 4 become equal to 7 to 9 or not. Awesome. Congratulations. Guys, after doing all of these, you know that all the things from 0 to 4 are now equal to 7 to 11. Which are the two characters left finally? Which are the two characters left finally after doing all this tam jam? Please write in the chat. Yes. Now you don't need to check 5 and 6. We have a function for this. अरे middle function बनाया था ना. If middle of 5 is true, it means that the if middle of 5 is true, if middle of 5 is true, it means that the middle part at the symmetric length is a palindrome. That is also a palindrome if all these checks are coming as true. Finally, in this Leetcode contest, you have to output as true. This is very, very complicated, but I know that many of you people understood what we are doing. So in the last part, na, which is nothing but middle of 5 is true. Middle of 5 should be true. Okay. Okay, great job. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Now guys, I know no one gives explanation like this. I know that. Now guys, tougher examples. Easy job is done. Now tough example is coming. Be ready for it. But guys, please know, even though we have to check many cases. Okay. Guys, please write yes in the chat if you're ready for tough example now. Thank you, Akash. Thank you, Amit. Thank you, Saurav. Now, guys, tough example. I'm just searching my Jamboard. Today, I saw that I am taking the coding session from last 3 hours. Congratulations. So, yeah, I'm just trying to make a good diagram for my lovely student. 0 to 10. No, 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 I don't like this. Guys, everyone right now, I want to take this example. No, no, I don't like this one also. आप लोग को पढ़ाने के पहले मैंने सारे भारी एग्जाम्पल तैयार रखे थे नहीं तो मेरी भी लग जाती और आपकी भी लग जाती. ठीक है. So now we are coming to a very good example, very nice example. So now guys, listen to me very carefully. Guys, imagine 0 to 13. Fast, don't waste time. 0 to 13 in your mind. 0 to 13. String of length 14 is given to you. Tell me the algorithm. Tell me the algorithm. 0 to 13 is coming, okay? 0 to 13. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Guys, what is the first thing you do? Everyone write first step of the algorithm. Divide by middle. Divide in middle. Make the two things in half so the confusion does not come. Everyone write in the chat. First step of the algorithm. Divide in middle and visualize. Divide in middle and you visualize. Let's say guys, we have some 0 to 13, okay? And the ranges are ranges 2 to 4 and 10 to 11. 2 to 4, 2 to 4 and 10 to 11. Yes, 2 to 4 and 10 to 11. Okay, guys. Guys, divide in half now. How many characters are there? Okay, guys, half divide division is done. You now know the left half should become equal to the right half. That is called as palindrome in the opposite manner, right? You are allowed to do the changes only in 2 to 4 and 10 to 11. Guys, what is the next step? First check the corner characters. Guys, everyone write in the chat. नहीं नहीं वो middle prefix को भूल जाओ. Everyone write in the chat. Start checking corner characters. Start checking corner characters. Means the first ones and the last ones. Check corner characters. Algorithm part 2. अच्छा पहले लिख देते A to B get 2 to 4. Guys, the actual code is of 200 lines. It is very big. 2 to 4 and C to D is 10 to 11. C to D is 10 to 11. This time I did not fear in showing you the code in advance क्योंकि मुझे पता है आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आने वाला. इतना बड़ा कोड जो है देख के भी क्या कर लोगे. So now coming in the important part again. So guys, first you find the corner stuff. Now, guys. What is the distance of here? How much corner stuff is allowed here? 2 is allowed. How much corner stuff is allowed here? Here also 2 is allowed. So you can check the 2 corner characters, right? Check the corner characters. Min of left comma right. Guys, you have to take minimum of left comma right. Huh? Here fortunately, here this left is also 2 space. Right is also 2 space. Guys, do you all agree that we cannot change the first 2 characters and last 2 characters? Everyone start writing yes in the chat. Yes sir, we cannot change the first 2 characters. Yes, likh do bas. Because you cannot change the first 2 character, last 2 character na. Do the prefix algorithm. Check if p of 1 is equal to true, it means that these two are same as these two. Yes, you have solved the first 2 characters and last 2 characters. Check if 0 to 1 is equivalent to 12 to 13, which is nothing but p of 1 equal to true. If this is false, stop, don't go ahead. If this is true, then go ahead. Now guys, first we check the guys we cannot change. Okay, p of 1, instantly in o of 1 we come to know if this is equal to this or not. In o of 1 time, we have done the pre-calculation of the p array already. Now guys, can you see this left range? Let's call this as the left range. Let's call this as the right range. Always do this thing. Do the intersection of the left range with the right range. Everyone write in the chat. Do the intelligent intersection of the left range with the right range. Intelligent intersection. So guys, 2, 3, 4 को किस में इंटरेस्ट है? Start writing in the chat. Fast. In which girls these 2, 3, 4 guys have interest? Write in the chat. आप इंडियन हो, आपको इंडियन ही पसंद आनी चाहिए. Got it guys? Yeah. So in which guys 2, 3, 4 have interest? 9, 10, 11. Yeah. Good. So the thing is that 9, 10 and 11. So intersection is happening like this. See guys, it is a messy intersection. 9, 10, 11 intersection is happening. Guys, 9, 10, 11 is the mirror image. Guys, mirror image. Physics में पढ़ा था mirror image. Tell me what is the intersection of left's mirror image with the right range. What is the intersection of 9, 10, 11 with 10, 11? It is just 10 and 11. 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 Everyone write 10 and 11 is the intersection of the mirror image. Algorithm बता रहा हूं. Do the intelligent intersection of the left range mirror image with the right range. Mirror image with the right range. So guys, if you do the 2, 3, 4 mirror image is 9 to 11 and its intersection will give you 10 to 11. Okay. Guys, what is the leftover? Who got ignored in this process? Please write in the chat who got ignored. 9 got ignored. So first you take care of the Ignored range. There can be maximum two ignored ranges, huh? Guys, which is the ignored range? Can you tell me? It is 9. First fix this. First fix this. This also you will do in O of one time only. How? I will tell you. Guys, this 9 is the ignored range. You are allowed to change this, but ninth character should be equivalent to which character? Write in the chat. Fast, fast, fast. Ninth character should be equivalent to which character? Ninth character should be equivalent to the fourth character. Ninth character should be equivalent to the fourth character. Right? 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 But guys, everyone write in the chat. 9 is fixed. 9 is fixed. 9 is fixed. You cannot change the ninth character. You can change the fourth one. Cannot change the ninth character. You should know who is fixed, who is not fixed. But this is the most important thing. 9 is fixed. You have to force the fourth character to become equal to 9. I know no one is going to explain like that. Fourth character to become equal to 9. Why can you change the fourth character? Because it is coming inside this range. So what you will do, whatever is the ninth character, let's say ninth character is B. Let's say ninth character is B. Then what do you want? You want that the occurrence of B in 2 to 4 should be greater than equal to 1. If it is coming even a single time, you will just pick it up and you will put it at the fourth position. Okay. If frequency of, let's say 9 is equal to B. Okay. If the frequency of B from index 2 to 4 is greater than equal to 1, then yes, your job is done, buddy. 9 has become equal to 4. 9 has become equal to 4. Okay, this part has become equal to 9. Now guys, which was the intersection range? Which was the main intersection range, guys? After pehle ignore, first we give attention to the ignored guys. Once the ignored guy is done, what will I do? 10 to 11. Now guys, this is very simple. Whatever is the content of 2 to 4, whatever is the content of 2 to 3, now you people will be saying, sir, now 10 to 11 should be equal to 2 to 3, right? Now 10 to 11 should be equal to 2 to 3. This means content of 2 to 4, which I already stored, minus B. Guys, one occurrence of B you will subtract ना, क्योंकि एक B तो 4 में ठूस दिया है, तो एक B तो कम हो जाएगा ना. Yes or no? Right? Yes or no in the chat. You'll subtract 1B. It means that if the content of 2 to 4 minus 1 occurrence of B is equal to the content of 10 to 11, just assume I have this direct function which tells me the content. So if the content of 2 to 4 minus B equal to B, then yes, the intersected ranges are also equal. This much brilliancy is done. Now guys, हो गया पूरा काम यहाँ से यहाँ. Now tell me which range is left, guys. Middle part will be the left in the end. Fast. Tell me the range of the middle part. What is the range? Tell me the range, guys. 5 to 8. But guys, here is the trick. Do you need to travel from 5 to 8 to check if this is palindrome or not? You have the middle function. If phi equal to true, it means this is a palindrome. Got it, guys? Guys, start writing yes in the chat if you have understood this brilliant problem solution finally. Now, middle. Now, array yaar, why is it not working? 5 to 8. If this is equal to true, done. which is nothing but middle of phi equal to true. So guys, algorithm was this only, and this was the super complicated problem. Always divide at the middle. Okay. Once the division is done, now check the minimum on the left and right corner, whatever it is. Check if they are matching. If they are matching, very good. Then do the intelligent intersection of the left mirror image with the right mirror image. You will get at max two ignored ranges. Two ignored ranges will be there on the right hand side. Whatever is the ignored range now, whatever is the ignored range, let's say there was, let's say guys, ignored ranges concept, let me make it clear. Let's say here there is this ignored range. Okay, ignored range. So basically it means that these characters, they are fixed, you cannot change them, but they have to become equal to this. But all these characters are in a range for sure, they are in a range for sure. So what you can do is, whatever is the like whatever is the content of this ignored range na, whatever is the content, okay, whatever is the content, doesn't matter. The number of times A is coming, B is coming, C is coming, same should be the content of the left hand side range, or the left hand side range should have greater amount of that than what is needed. Got it? Clear? कैसे मैंने वहां पर चेक किया कि बी ए के एक से ज्यादा होना चाहिए? So I will check the content here. Once I know that it has become equal, I will subtract all that from the left range, and the leftover will be left with me. With this leftover, I will check with the actual intersection. When this is done, then I will check the middle guy, and then finally our job will be done. Guys, write yes in the chat if it is finally little bit idea you got what is happening. Got now? It's brilliant one. Now guys, O of 1, O of 26, we are able to check everything. Now we need to take a corner case. गाइस अ कॉर्नर केस, दिस देखो इतना करने के बाद भी आपको ये प्रॉब्लम में राइट नहीं मिलेगा. सोचो कितना दुख हुआ होगा जिसने इतना करके भी उसको डब्ल्यू ए आ गया. नाउ देयर इज वन मोर कॉर्नर केस, दैट्स व्हाई देयर आर ओनली 100 सबमिटेड सॉल्यूशन. नाउ द कॉर्नर केस. ओके, कॉर्नर केस. ओके guys, corner case. What we can do is, we did not talk about what if the both the ranges are touching each other. Okay, guys, first you divide at the middle, right? 0 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 2 3 1 2 3 guys, this is the middle here. Okay, okay, let's say the left range is like this, and the right range is like this. Right range is right this. Okay, now guys, can you see this is a question where only one range is there? The question has now changed to only one range is there, but it is crossing the middle for sure. It is crossing the middle for sure. Guys, in this case, what will be the algorithm? I hope you still know what will be the algorithm. First, you will check the corner stuff. What is the minimum corner stuff? Here there is two characters, here there are three characters. You will try for two. Are these last two characters equivalent to the first two characters? Yes, you check P of 1. Now you want this much part to be a palindrome. You want this much part to be a palindrome. Guys, write your algorithm here. Be quick. Don't waste time. Guys, please write the thing. What you will do here. The first two characters you are checking with the last two characters, and that's great. That's nice. Awesome. Then this much part should be a palindrome, right? This much part should be a palindrome. but you cannot change the whole part. You can change only this blue color part, right? It means that this character should be equivalent to the ninth character. So you will check in this range, whatever this character is, the frequency of it is greater than equal to 1 or not. If yes, then this much job is done. Then whatever this part is left, na, whatever this middle part is left, you can rearrange the characters anyhow and you want to make it a palindrome. This is the new question. Got it, guys? What is the new question? New question is that this is the middle part. Let's say this is the middle part. Okay. There are some characters given here. Okay. Let's say AACC. Some characters are given to you. You have to make the middle part palindrome. In this case, you have to make the middle part palindrome. Guys, how do you know if you can make the middle part palindrome? Yes or no? Tell me. We'll create a different function for it. It's easy. If all the characters are occurring for even number of times, then you can make the middle part palindrome for this corner case. After doing all this, the problem gets solved. Congratulations, you have now got top 50 global rank in Leetcode. Clear, guys? Start writing yes in the chat if finally everything is clear. It's a C++, Java, Python codes are very complicated and they will be uploaded after I close this session. Okay. Yeah, you understood now, guys. It's very complicated. You have to handle many things. Okay. Yes, yes, Ashutosh. Here we can use everything. Now I'm stopping the recording.